say PDP is dead. And people thought I was playing politics. No. When the national chairman and national secretary are two different worlds, serving different purposes, how do you think they can be reconciled? Now, PDP is going to go into war. One will defeat the other. And in politics, even if you defeat your opponent, you still come out worse for it. Because you need everybody. Now, PDP is dead because how can they choose as secretary a man who comes from a faction that say they have endorsed another person to be president of Nigeria in 2027? How? So it is dead. It is going to be irreconcilable. So one faction is going to defeat the other. And even if it ends in winner-loser, it will still be a bad thing for the party. So they are hemorrhaging. And there is no rebuilding. Because a party is like a company in a stock exchange. When there is bad news against the party, people will not go to buy their shares. Because nobody would put his destiny in a ship that is piloted by drunkards and madmen. What they displayed in Wadata Plaza is the exhibition of madness and drunkenness. People who drink akpatashi by 5 a.m. and they will come and use their car. Governors, ministers, to use their car and their thugs to be blocking their ways and fighting. I mean, such party, do you think any reasonable person will want to be part of it? Wike has told you, he has endorsed Tinubu 2027. So what were you expecting? Again, is it that you agree with him or the party will be destroyed? So the whole idea is to make PDP not viable for 2027 so that Tinubu will come back or they destroy PDP. I said it the other time when they were shouting zone to the south, zone to the south. I said, with respect to PDP, I said, PDP, you don't have sense. These people that are telling you zone to south, is zone to Tinubu they mean. And they thought I was joking. But Wike had come out to say, look, if you don't zone this thing to Tinubu, it is fight to finish. He said PDP should not even produce a candidate, presidential candidate. So what else is left? So it is shameful. What they are doing now, is what they would have done in 2023 in Igbo land. They say when an aberration or an abomination lasts more than 1 year, it will become a culture. So the abomination and aberration in PDP now has become their culture. So who would want to become a member of a party that has a culture of impunity, a culture of national chairman will sack national secretary, national secretary will sack national chairman, governors will sack minister, minister will sack governor? I mean, it is outrageous. It's so belittling. It is infradignitatem and cannot be accommodated by any responsible, reasonable person. So PDP is dead.